How to learn pronunciation in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily learn it through different tricks and tips. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you'll be able to see this bell-like icon. Simply tap on this bell-like icon. So this is the place where you'll be able to have different games in the feed. So here on the bottom, there's an option called learning of pronunciation. So simply tap on try this tracks. So this is the place where you'll be able to have different Duolingo pronunciation. So this is the place where it shows how you can add or pronounce new language. So this is a type of blog that you can read in order to be clear and improve a newer language. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.